and welcome to the buying guide for the 1/10 scale Axial SMT10 platform, specifically the ready-to-run Gravedigger and the new Raw Builders Kit. So both of these are a four-wheel drive monster truck platform, and essentially this vehicle, the ready-to-run Gravedigger, has been around in the past, which is great because part support is already there. It's in hobby shops across the country. It's online on online retailers across the country. There's aftermarket support for this. And all that stuff will transfer to the new Raw Builders Kit. So it's almost like you can get a fresh product with the support system and the aftermarket support system already in place, which is really cool. Now let's start out by talking about the ready-to-run Gravedigger here. So this is fully licensed from Feld, Monster Jam, has that iconic Gravedigger body, the also iconic kind of that green powder coated tube frame chassis, but this has been updated, and I know that's what you guys are curious about for this. This is updated with Spectrum electronics, so it has Spectrum STX2 radio, servo, receiver, and then the motor is now a 12-turn brushed motor, so it's going to be faster out of the box than in the past. Also comes with a 60 amp Dynamite ESC, which is nickel metal and LiPo compatible. So for this model, you will need to provide your own battery. You'll need to provide a 2S or nickel metal battery and a way to charge that battery and just 4 AA's for that transmitter. Aside from that, this is ready to go, pre-assembled out of the box as you see it here. Very cool. This has also been upgraded to have metal gears throughout. So the transmission all the way to essentially the axles is all metal gear now. So the upgrade path, should you decide to upgrade this in the future, is a little bit easier than it was in the past, which is very cool. Essentially, this will handle more power than it did in the past. That being said, that same transmission has been dumped into the Raw Builders Kit and makes it to where pretty much whatever electronics you're gonna put in this guy, it can handle it. So that being said, this is a kit. You will need to assemble this out of the box. It does come with wheels, so caveat to that, these wheels aren't like a universally accepted wheel size, so they will fit the BKT tire, and there's only like maybe another J Concepts tire out there that's gonna fit this. Otherwise, we encourage you to just use your own wheels and tires. We know that's what a lot of you are gonna do already, but we just wanted to point that out since this is a buying guide. So with this being a kit, you will need to provide your own servo, receiver, speed control, battery, motor, a way to charge the battery, it seems like a no-brainer, and radio. I'm gonna go ahead and say wheel and tire. Realistically, you only need to provide your own tire, but since it's a little finicky in what's gonna fit these, I would say just get your own wheel and tire as well, but these do come in the box. Cool thing about the Raw Builders Kit. So it is essentially the same as the Gravedigger, but you have adjustable body mounts. You can really put any body on this you want. So obviously it's designed to be a monster truck, but that doesn't mean it has to be a monster truck. So kind of the whole world of bodies is open to you. You just have to use some of the other parts trees that are in the box, change the heights, things of that nature if you plan on using something other than like a, Gravedigger style body. So probably one of the best things about the SMT platform is it's great for beginners all the way up to experienced drivers. You can buy the Gravedigger ready to run straight out of the box and have fun. You don't have to be a professional driver. You can learn, advance, and master using all one platform. You can upgrade this, you can make it faster, you can customize it. It's a really nice feature for someone. You don't have to buy a whole new vehicle as you get better at driving or want to go faster. A lot of you experienced guys, this is probably what you're gonna get just because you already have electronics, or you're gonna really put in your own hot, brushless craziness, high torque servo. We get that. This is perfect for you, but all the parts interchange, and like I said, the upgrade path is just that much easier because of that and the aftermarket support that already exists. So a couple final thoughts before we let you guys go. The suspension is completely adjustable. So these are oil-filled shocks. You can change the ride height, you can change the dampening of the oil, you can change the shock position, you can change the way the sway bars are hooked up. All that is just to make it customizable for where you're driving or how you're driving, which is a very nice feature. The platform itself is waterproof. So with the Raw Builders Kit, waterproof up to like what you put in it. So if you put in a speed controller motor that's not waterproof, obviously we're not gonna really call it waterproof. The ready-to-run version is waterproof out of the box. So that's a really cool thing. Probably important for a lot of you beginners that are going to be out testing the limits of what this thing can do. But that being said, this is backed by Horizon Hobby Support. So should you have any problems, should you do something silly and you just, I don't know, need help, call us, email us, message us on Facebook. We'd be happy to take care of you guys. So I think that pretty much sums us up. This is the Axial SMT10 monster truck platform that's back for 2020. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next buying guide. Make sure you subscribe and comment. That way we know what we forgot to talk about, and you'll be able to see videos before anyone else. So thanks again, and we will see you guys in the next video.